Oh crap, you killed me already. You suck.
In the water.
How did you kill me like that? My remote's not connected, that's why.
Look at that, look at that.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Press A. I'm not interested in the replay. I lost that one. I'm not happy.
Okay, started.
He's kidding me, I hate it.
What are you playing now?
So funny. This is fucking awesome.
It's awesome.
But there is no real strategy, you just swing around.
For this, yeah.
You're gonna die, motherfucker.
Not in this lifetime, amigo. Die! I killed you!